Are your IBM licenses scattered across different renewal dates? Do you feel like you're always negotiating in fragments, never with full leverage? That's exactly how IBM wants it. When contracts are spread out, you lose volume discounts and negotiating power. The fix is co-termination. By aligning all your IBM licenses to a common date, you create a single renewal event, concentrate spend, and maximize leverage. Yes, it might mean prorating some licenses, but the payoff is one negotiation with real bargaining power. Ramp pricing is another critical tool. Instead of buying all your licenses up front, you can structure the deal to ramp up or down over time. IBM allows ramp clauses in some contracts, but they rarely volunteer them. Used properly, ramp pricing aligns spend with business growth or downsizing instead of locking you into wasted capacity. And don't overlook true downrights. Without them, your license counts only go one way, up. With them, you can reduce licenses when demand falls, protecting your budget. In M&A scenarios, co-terms and flexible lifecycle clauses can be the difference between a smooth integration and a licensing nightmare. The checklist is simple. Track every renewal date, push for co-termination at the next negotiation, include ramp or true down clauses in new deals, and keep an internal inventory so IBM's complexity doesn't blindside you. At Redress Compliance, we help CIOs, CFOs, and IT managers take control of IBM licensing life cycles. From co-terming renewals to structuring ramp deals, we make sure IBM's contracts adapt to your business, not the other way around. If you're ready to stop playing by IBM's fragmented rules, contact Redress Compliance today.